Connecting Arizona. Live from the 12 News studios at 200 East Van Buren. This is 12 News at 10.
What would lead a mother with a job to put her daughter in such danger for sex? Joining us tonight is Dr. Michael Yasinski, a board-certified psychiatrist. Dr. Yasinski, thanks for joining us tonight.
No problem. Good to be here.
What do you make of this case? Is this a major cry for help?
Yeah, another tragedy, unfortunately, being brought into the psychiatry world, and it's never pleasant to have to explain tragedies like this with psychiatry symptoms or diseases, but I think there was, or potentially could be, some psychiatric disease contributing to this, but in no way do I believe that this was a complete psychiatric problem and there was likely further alcohol, drugs, or just poor parenting going on instead of just psychiatry.
So we're talking about a woman with 2 kids. How does someone begin to think about themselves before thinking about what's best or safest for her children?
Well, I mean, going to a psychiatric diagnosis, just to make it clear, there was a statement that she used that she felt manic, and trying to explain away some of her symptoms with that word. And there is a word and a symptom called mania, which can occur in psychiatric illnesses such as bipolar disorder or head injuries. And what that is you have severe loss of impulse control, you have really poor decision making, really hyper energy, and really sexual. So all of those things that she was kind of displaying was documented in the police reports, and that's what her excuse was, although it's very rare for that to be the sole cause of this kind of behavior and neglect.
And you do deal with addictions. Do you believe that people can be addicted to sex?
Oh, for sure. I think it's unquestionable that there are a group of people addicted to sex. I think more often than not, though, it is a lifelong, typically a childhood, unresolved problem psychologically, rather than kind of an acute syndrome like bipolar disorder or depression or schizophrenia. It's more of an underlying illness that is probably worked up for years, if not decades, and if untreated or unstopped, this can produce a true sexual addiction.
Dr. Yasinski, thank you for your time.
Thanks.